everybody, this is Chef Harpal Singh and you see pumpkins, you remember Halloween. And today we're going to cook a delicious dish from pumpkins.
जिंदगी में स्वाद दबाता है जब प्यार का मसाला मिलता है नमक शामक डाल देते हैं खाने का भी मजा आ जाए जब हम सब खाना बनाए.
So first of all, olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons, extra virgin butter, and to that loads of garlic pods. Yes, little bit of onion. So you take one onion, cut them into cubes like this, and then split it out. And some good pumpkin, sweet pumpkin, cut like this into small cubes. Into this. Keep cooking, sauteing on low flame until the pumpkin is nice and soft. So I need to cook this for at least 10 to 12 minutes until the pumpkin gets cooked well. The onion gets a little more cooked. It'll definitely get more cooked. Now when the pumpkin is almost cooked for 10 to 12 minutes, you see it colored nicely, which is very, very important. Like you see here, it's colored nicely on all sides. So that's what you need to do, so that you don't get that sweet flavor and you get a nice roast flavor, which is very important for this. So when you bite, you get a roast flavor. Inside, you would get a sweet flavor. But to remove that, I've got something for you. First, let's add some salt and do some namak shamak. Yes, keep singing and keep adding. I've got some chili flakes here. So, some mixed herbs. And some black pepper crush, okay, just to spice it up. And this is now looking, oh, so good. So the pumpkin here is just about rightly cooked. For example, when I show you this, so if you press, see, it doesn't require too much effort. So at this point of time, I feel the pumpkin is rightly cooked as per my standards. But if you want to make it a little more softer, you can cook for some more time, which means you have to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes so that the pumpkin gets more soft, more browned up, and the garlic also gets more browned. It's fantastic to taste, but for me, pumpkin is just about rightly done, and there you go. So mixed herbs on top, and the pumpkin is ready to eat. Yes, you could use this as a side dish if you are cooking for Indian meals, and for continental meals and the western meals, you can always serve it with roast, mashed potatoes, some roast, some gravy, and this. Oh, too good. So go ahead and enjoy this great dish on Halloween.